हेलो दोस्तों, आई एम प्रत्यूष, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल स्टूडेंट खबरी, जहां मैं बात करता हूं आपकी यानी कि स्टूडेंट्स की। तो भाई एक बात बताओ, आपने सीयूईटी एग्जाम मान लो दे लिया 2023 का, जेई मेंस दे दिया आपने, सारे स्टेट लेवल के एग्जाम्स होते हैं वो भी दे दिए। तो भाई थोड़ा इसके ऊपर ये बात करते हैं इन डिटेल में। तो भाई मैं बोल रहा हूँ, आपने सीयूईटी 2023 का दे दिया, जेई मेंस अपना आया 23 का, आपने वो भी दे दिया, लाइक से कॉमेट हो गया अपना, एमएचसीईटी हो गया, आपने ये भी दे लिया। और भगवान ना करे भाई कि आपका मान लो इन सब में अच्छे कॉलेज नहीं मिल पा रहा है, बट आपके जो 12th के मार्क्स हैं वो बड़े अच्छे हैं। लेट्स से 95 प्लस परसेंटाइल आ गया, बट आपने कुछ रीजन के चक्कर में एग्जाम्स में अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाए, तो भाई आपको अच्छा कॉलेज ऐसा अलॉट नहीं हो पा रहा है। तो भाई एग्जाम से नहीं मिल पा रहा अच्छा कॉलेज, तो उसके अलावा आपके पास क्या चॉइस है कि जहां पे आपको एडमिशन मिल सकता है ऑन योर 12th बेसिस, यानी कि मेरिट के ऊपर, एंड वो कॉलेज भी बहुत अच्छा हो, यानी कि टॉप नंबर पे आता हो इंडिया के। तो भाई ऐसा ही एक कॉलेज है जहां पे आपका एडमिशन मिल जाएगा ऑन योर 12th स्कोर कार्ड, वो भी मेरिट बेसिस पर, वो है हमारा लॉयला कॉलेज चेन्नई का। तो आइए भाई इनके बारे में इन डिटेल बात की जाए। तो लॉयला कॉलेज जो भी स्टैब्लिश हुआ था 1925 में, जैसे नाम सजेस्ट करता है भाई ये क्रिश्चियन कॉलेज है। एंड एक और चीज, साउथ इंडिया के जो एक्टर का नाम लोगे ना, वो एक्टर यहीं से पढ़ा होगा। तो प्राइवेट कॉलेज है हमारा, कोएड है, और साथ में रोमन कैथोलिक कॉलेज है ये। रैंकिंग की बात किया जाए तो भाई निफ्ट की रैंकिंग है इसकी 3rd, एफिलिएशन है यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मद्रास के साथ, एंड लोकेशन है नेल्सन मनिकम रोड, चेन्नई। वेबसाइट वही अपनी भाई लॉयला कॉलेज डॉट edu, एंड कैंपस एरिया 99 एकड़ों में कॉलेज फैला हुआ है। एक्रेडिटेशन की बात किया जाए तो भाई नैक ने इसको दिया हुआ है A++, एंड निक नेम यहाँ पे लॉयलाइट, मतलब जो बच्चे यहां से पढ़ के निकलते हैं ना, वो खुद को कहते हैं हम लॉयलाइट है। सो मूविंग नेक्स्ट, तो भाई यहां पर 24 यूजी कोर्सेज है, 21 पीजी कोर्सेज, और साथ में 12 पीएचडी प्रोग्राम। यहां एक कहना है यार कि आप जिस कोर्स का नाम लो ना, वो कोर्स आपको इस कॉलेज में मिल जाना है। फ्रेंच कोर्स ले लो, आप उर्दू कोर्स ले लो, जो कोर्स सोचोगे आप वो कोर्स आपको यहां मिल जाएगा। तो भाई 9554 स्टूडेंट्स यहां पढ़ाई करते हैं, 347 एकेडमिक फैकल्टीज है एंड 185 एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव फैकल्टीज। तो ऑल अराउंड देखिए तो भाई टोटल 10,000 बच्चे यहां पढ़ते हैं, एंड ये एकड़ लेट्स से 99 एकड़ों में फैला हुआ है कैंपस। एंड एक और चीज यार, कैंपस का जो 2/3 एरिया है ना, वो डेडिकेटेड है फॉर स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटीज, ठीक है। तो स्पोर्ट्स में भी यहां पे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस दी जाती है। मूविंग नेक्स्ट भाई कनेक्टिविटी में बात कर ले कि भाई कॉलेज कैसा पहुंच सकते हो और आसपास कैसा माहौल है। तो भाई बस स्टैंड नियर द कॉलेज एंड हैज गुड बस कनेक्टिविटी, बिहाइंड द नन अगमक्कम रेलवे स्टेशन, 12 किलोमीटर ही हमारा मद्रास एयरपोर्ट से, एंड कैन यूज ऑटो और रिक्शा यहां पहुंचने के लिए। All disciplines are grouped into various schools to enable efficient teaching, यानी जितने भी कोर्सेज हैं उन सबको बांट दिया गया डिफरेंट स्कूल्स के अंदर, ठीक है। कि क्यों बांटा गया भाई, क्योंकि स्कूल्स का एक अलग ही मैनेजमेंट होगा, तो ऑल अराउंड वहां की वर्किंग एंड एकेडमिक्स अच्छा चलता रहे इसलिए। So to enable efficient teaching, facilitate effective learning, ensure smooth functioning among departments, and to promote interdisciplinary courses and research skills. So different courses that are available here. So we have a School of Commerce and Economics. We have Commerce General, we have Commerce Honors, then Economics, BCom in Accounting and Finance, and Computer Applications. If I talk about School of Computational Sciences, so we have Computer Science, Data Science, Mathematics, and Statistics. Then we have School of Physical Science, School of Language, School of Humanities, School of Life Sciences, School of Media Studies, and School of Vocational Studies. So we have in School of Vocational Studies 3D animation course and also a digital journalist course, जिसको कहा जाता है भाई कौशल प्रोग्राम। नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम्स एंड एलिजिबिलिटी के बारे में बात कर ले फॉर लॉयला कॉलेज। तो फॉर यूजी कोर्सेज इट्स मेरिट बेस्ड, एज टोल्ड यू इन द स्टार्टिंग कि दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर 12th स्कोर कार्ड कि व्हाट मार्क्स यू हैव स्कोर्ड। सो यू विल बी गेटिंग अ मेरिट लिस्ट, एंड इफ यू आर देयर सो गुड टू गो। But for PG, you have to give an entrance examination of Loyola College. The different programs, arts they have BA English, BA History, BA Sociology. Requirements, in 12th you should be having these subjects in your course. Then for commerce, they have BCom. So BCom, these are the requirements that these courses or these subjects should be in your 12th. आपने दिया होगा, and if you have scored good enough marks, then you are eligible for these courses available at Loyola College. So same for the PG courses, but for PG you have to give entrance-based examination, and apart from entrance, any graduation from these courses will be eligible for the PG course. Moving next, shift 2, that is self-supporting. Class timing will be between 1:30 to 6:30 p.m. So for that BA Economics program, you should be having these requirements for BA French, BA History and BA English. यानी कि any group in +2 or equivalent examination. Then in commerce, we have these number of courses, and these are the eligibility criteria or requirements that are important from the college side. Talking about the science courses like BSc Mathematics, BSc Physics, or media courses like BSc Visual Communication, BSc Multimedia Animation, or B Vocational in 3D Animation. These are the requirements that you should be having at least physics, chemistry, maths, and one more subject in your 12 basis. If you have scored good enough, then you're eligible for BSc here. And if we talk about the media courses, so any group in +2, that is 12th or equivalent examination, you will be eligible for these courses. For the arts courses, for the PG one, you have to give an entrance examination. Entrance is साथ, any UG degree will work for it. But basically for these courses, okay, like MA Sociology, MA International Relations, MA Philosophy and MA History. Next, for the PG courses for science, we have entrance examination plus these requirements in your bachelor's degree. List of UG programs where women students are admitted. Okay, that is only eligible for women students. So they have these courses like BA French, BSc Visual Communication, BSc Multimedia Animation, B Vocational 3D Animation, BSc Plant Biology and Plant Biotechnology, and BBA France. So these are those courses for which only women students are eligible. That is, male students are not eligible for these programs. Admission procedure, same, you have to apply online on their website. Then they have to verify your application. Email will be sent to the selected applicants. Then you have to upload your documents by a provisionally selected applicant. There's type 5 will be college validates and processes your application, and you can proceed to online fee payment. Step 6 will be online payment done via Paytm or some other stuff. Then step 7 will be issuing your department number, like you will be then selected for studying in this college. Then department number, official mail ID, and online ID card will be issued by the college side. And step 8, step 9, step 10 are the finally your class will be started at Loyola College. So there are 10 steps that are followed in this college for getting admission. Now talking about the fee structure. So for BA, BCom, BSc, B Vocational, we have fee structure that is all around between 10,000 to 23,000 per annum. And that all differs from the category wise. Then for shift 2, that is from 1:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. classes. So for those courses, the fee amount ranges between 20,000 to 76,000. For the PG course, if I talk about the shift 1, that is the morning course. So morning course, the fee structure differs between 12,000 to 46,000, but mainly 46,000 fees is for B Vocational Digital Journalism. And for remaining, the fee structure differs from 10,000 to 16,000 only. So for shift 2 of PG program, that is for 1:30 p.m. So for that, the fee structure varies from 18,000 to 86,000 all around. That differs upon the category wise, or let's say the course which you choose for studying from Loyola College. Talking about the infrastructure of this college, so by the central library, a book bank facility, air conditioned with 200 computers, free internet access, printing, scanning and photocopy facilities. Then after central library, they have a Wi-Fi campus, free internet access with 1000 MB per second speed, Loyola Health Center, a smart classroom, smart language lab, students recreation center, hostels for both girls and boys. यानी कि you have a hostel facility in campus for both the categories like girls and for boys, and counseling center as well. Moving next, food court, TNPCL, eco-friendly campus. They're all common and majorly you'll be finding this in every college there. Now, co-curricular clubs and activities like apart from academics, where you all can focus कि यार क्या कुछ नया है कि you can groom yourself, you can groom your skills. So they have All India Catholic University Federation, they have Aura Club, Enactus Loyola, Entrepreneurship Development Cell, Loyola Brass Band, Loyola Club of Performing Arts, Sports, Rotaract Club, Pro Life Club, NSS, NCC, Loyola Press Club, FM Radio, Toastmasters, and Photography Club. These are some of the club activities which you can avail, let's say, when you join this college. And it's equally important for your academics as well, because these co-curricular activities only help you in grooming yourself. Now, glimpses of the college, we'll have a small tour of Loyola College. So, I'm showing you some of the photographs of the same college. So yes, we have summarized some of the photographs ना जो we have researched and find out कि यार आपको ना जान लो पूरा कॉलेज में अंदर से भी देखने में कैसा है and what sort of culture they have. So these are main auditorium of the college. Then let's talk about the alumni. So the same thing which I have told you कि South Indian actors majorly studied from this college. So Mahesh Babu, Vijay, Surya, Vikram, D. Venkatesh, they all have studied from this college. If you talk about politician, so P. Chidambaram, he has also studied from this college. Then they have Pradeep Dedha, CEO of Netmits, and Paloma Rao, RJ. They have also studied from Loyola College. Talking about the societies, so they have Rotaract Club, Environmental Club, AICUF, Loyola Press. So in total, they have around 25 plus clubs for which you can just join and groove yourself depending upon your interest area. Talking about the placements now, to by highest placement that was 21.97 LPA. Average placement goes around 2 to 3 LPA. A number of students placed were 457. Number of recruiters were 125, and top recruiters who were there to just onboard some of the new candidates, they were Adobe, ICICI, Deloitte, and Tresvesta. Some of the hangout places near Loyola College, they have Panagal Park, Valuvarkottam, Arumigu Sri Mupataram, and Jiva Park. Some of the hangout places for you when we want to enjoy and just get a break from academic life. Reviews. So one of the best colleges in India and South, NIF ranking, yes, it's amazing. If you talk about the placement, 21.95 LP का package बुरा नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा package है. Conducted in 2 shifts, suitable for working students, की morning shift and second shift, that is shift 1 and shift 2. Little bit strict in terms of rules and regulations, dress code for boys and girls. Alumni is fire, सब बड़े-बड़े लोग ना यहीं से पढ़े हुए हैं भाई. Fees is also quite affordable. Although the classes are considered in English, but still South State College है तो can have language barriers for North students. Obviously South का college language barrier हो सकता है, but majorly यहाँ classes सारी English में ही होती है. And placements are also satisfactory. So overall good college, infra अच्छा है, faculty अच्छी है, placement अच्छे है, fee structure अच्छा है, and crowd भी अच्छा है, क्योंकि crowd सारा creamy layer यहाँ पढ़ने आता है. Accommodation also affordable around the college. If you can manage with language barriers and rules and regulations, then definitely go for it. So this was all about Loyola College, which you can opt for if you are not scoring that good enough in CUET or other examinations. But yes, Loyola is definitely a good to go college if you want to just pursue your career in different fields, because they have a good record and one of the oldest college in India. If you like this video, do like, share and comment on this, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Student Khabri.
I hope you like this video. For more such videos, keep watching our channel
and do not forget to like, share